This is for 2012 Absolute Memorabilia Football 2 box break, number 1. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we get some big hits. There we go. First pack. We got Ndamukong Suh for Detroit. Andre Johnson for the Texans. And autograph goes to Alfred Morris for the Redskins. And we got Ahmad Bradshaw for the Giants and Kenny Britt for the Titans. I don't think these are numbered. This one's not. Nope, there it is numbered. This is number 3 of 299. Alfred Morris autograph for the Redskins. Next pack. First up, we got Pierre Garçon for the Redskins. Ben Jarvis Green Ellis for the Bengals. LeGarrette Blount for Tampa. And we got George Alaka for the Bengals. And the hit goes to San Francisco. Stargazing. Well, Michael James, patch auto. For San Fran. Number 19 of 25. Pack number 3. For San Francisco, we got Alex Smith. Wes Welker for the Patriots. Jeremy McClain for the Eagles. Daniel Thomas for the Dolphins. And the hit goes to 3-card drama patch of Nick Toon, 19 of 25 for the Saints. Nick Toon, 19 of 25. Pack number 4, the first box. Might have a redemption in it. Get a little thin. Nope, it doesn't. First card, Darren Sproles. The Saints. Blaine Gabbert. The Jags. Matt Schwab for Houston. And we got Jay Howard for the Seahawks. And for Indy, Reggie Wayne autograph. Spectrum for Indy, Reggie Wayne. Number 61 of 75. Reggie Wayne autograph for Indy. Now is box number 1. We'll head on to the last box, box number 2. Here we go. Good luck. Pack 1. For Indy, Donald Brown. Ryan Matthews for the Chargers. Greg Little for the Browns. Kirkpatrick for the Bengals. And we've got Jarvis Wright. Patch autograph on card. 90 of 299. That's a really nice looking card. I thought it was going to be a lower number than that. Of 299. Next up, pack 2. First up, Rob Gronkowski. Arian Foster for Houston. Tom Brady, the Patriots. Vincent Jackson for Tampa Bay. And autograph goes to Josh Robinson, another Vikings hit. 2 Vikings hit back to back. 213 of 299. Third pack. For the Ravens, Anquan Bolden. Drew Brees for the Saints. Brandon Marshall for Chicago. Austin Collie for Indy. 42 of 50. And Absolute Heroes, Darren McFadden for Oakland. Numbered 11 of 25. Alright, last pack. Come on, Russell Wilson. Come on, Andrew Luck. I'll even take an RG3 at this point. Oh, that's a redemption. Tampa, Garrett Blunt, and Ndamukong Suh for Detroit. Ray Helu Jr. for the Redskins. Kyle Wilber for the Cowboys. And the redemption card is 2012 Panini Absolute War Room Signature Materials, number 31, Ryan Royals. I know it said it expired. I will send it. Panini has been really good about giving you about getting the redemptions in that are expired. I still have redemptions from 2010 that I still get in the mail. So they're there. They're pretty good about it. And thank you everybody for participating in the 2012 Absolute. Have a good night.